Canva is a great way to design really nice looking resume because there are hundreds of free templates included. So simply log into your Canva account and then click templates here on the list. After that, you want to open the business group at the very top. And in this shorter list, you will be able to see resumes. Click on that. And here it is. Right now, we got over 13,000 templates in this group. So let's sort this out. I wanna only see the free. So click price and then select free. It's reduced the number of templates to 5,000. Now we can simply scroll down. If you see something interesting, you can simply click on that template and then customize it to your needs. So let's say you like this minimalistic one, click on it, and then you got this big valid button, customize this template. And from here, you will see the template at the center, and you will be able to click on the text, edit that. You can even replace the image, change this to image of yourself. To make it easier for you, just zoom in a bit like that. You get more natural view. And in this case, that's so just one page template, but you can always add another page by clicking this plus add page button here. And as you can see, the color of the backdrop is set up correctly, matching the template. So now you can simply click on each text, double tap, then you can type whatever you need to type. You can modify all of the text. And when you are ready, you can click share at the top right corner, and you will have option to download this. So you can download this resume with your own details as a nice standard PDF. Hit download, and it will save on your downloads folder, exactly the same place where all of this stuff that you download from the internet goes. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.